So cognitive applications think and work like the human brain. So that means they have the ability to understand all forms of data in any form, structured and unstructured data. They have the ability to ingest vast amounts of data. Then they can form hypotheses, they can make judgments, they can reason. They have the ability to learn, so they can learn from interactions with humans and make better decisions. And also they interact, so cognitive applications understand human language, natural conversation, and can therefore understand speech and text when interacting with another human being. So within HR, we're looking at the entire employee life cycle, from recruiting through to learning and development, through to retention of staff. And we're looking at ways in which we can use cognitive applications to help our employees make better decisions, to help our employees have a better intuitive experience with technology, and to help them make faster decisions and work more effectively and productively. So in IBM now, we're using cognitive systems to explore how we can improve the onboarding experience, so that any new joiner who has a question about how do I book travel, how do I record my expenses, how do I set my goals and objectives, find me an expert on digital transformation, can talk to a chatbot that's available 24/7, and they can reach that chatbot via their desktop, their iPad or their mobile phone. We're also developing an app that will enable potential candidates interested in a career at IBM to upload their CV. And Watson Cognitive Technology will read that CV, extract information about skills and experience, and then recommend potential careers and roles at IBM that might suit them. And also we're using cognitive technology in our learning platform to recommend relevant learning to staff based on their experience, their business unit, what their colleagues are learning, as well as current business priorities. So what cognitive technologies are really good at is absorbing vast amounts of data about your workforce, whether it's their average tenure, the diversity, the pay rates, the performance, the skills and the capabilities. And it can absorb all of that data. It can draw out some of the relationships that previously might have remained hidden or unseen, and serve those up to your HR business partners or your business leaders, so they've got up-to-date information, not just about your workforce, what skills they've got, but also what they're thinking, what they're feeling about the organisation, so it can track employee sentiment. And that gives business leaders a dashboard into their workforce, so they can make more effective decisions, knowing that they can direct and shape how their workforce responds.